kitchen. Okay, so I had to get a bunch of stuff. So what I did was I just ordered on Instacart. The package came. So let's go through what I got. First thing, I got juice. This is cran apple. It's really good. Okay, let's see. I got coffee cups, temporary ones, because I don't know which ones I want to get just yet, but you know, I kind of have my coffee in the morning, so I figured, yeah. I got jalapeno potato chips, delicious, love these. I don't know if I'm gonna cook them though. Oh, okay, okay, that works. I got fries. These are the string fries. These are not the ones I necessarily like, but they didn't have the ones that I like. So I got these. And sugar. Always need sugar. bag. I got a cooking sheet pan for when I make fries or whatever it is I want to make. This is temporary until I find again what I want, but I got barbecue chips. I got bread. I got potato bread. These are so good. One of my favorites for sure. I got more juice. More of the cran juices. I'm not gonna put it in the fridge though, because I have more than enough juice. So I'm gonna put it down here. Okay. Okay, I got mayo, I got honey, I got olive oil, whipped cream, adobo, instant coffee, and then I got a creamer. I've never had it before. It's Califia, I think that's how you say it. This is what it looks like. It's in the flavor French vanilla. I hope it's good. This is an almond milk creamer. It's not like a dairy creamer, so I really hope that it's good. Okay, let's put these away. Fridge. Okay, and then this is pantry. I'm actually going to do the chips. And then have this here. You know, for the olive oil, I really want to get like a, you know, those little cute pours. That would be actually really cute. They probably have some on Amazon. Or maybe like a CB2 or something. I think that would be so cute. I've never had one before, but it's so aesthetic, you know? It's so aesthetic. So I got eggs. I got like sausage. This is by Johnsonville and it's the brown sugar and honey. I'm excited to try that. That looks like it's gonna be good. More fries. These are sweet potato fries though, and I got the one with the sea salt and the black pepper. I got cheese. And then I got butter. I got garlic, minced garlic. And, ooh, I kind of want one of these right now. I got applesauce. Is it just me? Like, I feel like I'm always like randomly, I'll just crave applesauce. Like, I don't know what it is about applesauce, but randomly I'll just crave it out of nowhere. Okay, it's good. Yeah, but like cold applesauce. This isn't cold, but I'm still craving applesauce so bad. Is that weird? Am I a weirdo? Oh my gosh, like, ugh. Just quick break. So good. Was I even hungry? I feel like I was. Back to the haul. I got this. I have friends coming over later, and I feel like they're gonna like this. It's the Haagen-Dazs, like the ice cream bar, and inside it has vanilla, and then on the outside it has chocolate, milk chocolate, I believe. I'm gonna put this straight in the freezer. And then I got ground turkey because I really want to make burgers later. So I got ground turkey. Yeah, because I'm really craving some burgers. And then last but not least, I got my milk. This is the only milk that I really like. And it's the Almond Breeze. It's the unsweetened original. I don't like the vanilla one for sure. But this one, I don't know, I really like it. So I got 2 of these. They're big. These are huge. Huh. Yeah. Okay, so let me put these away. You know what? One I'm gonna put in the fridge. Okay, freezer. I'm gonna put this in the freezer as well. These all go in the fridge. And now the last thing that I got is this bag. I'm so excited. This is all laundry stuff. There's this challenge. Where's my phone? Hold on. Okay, this challenge. Oh, sorry. It's called the laundry cocktail. Wait, hold on. It's called the laundry cocktail. It's not a challenge. Sorry. Hold on.
The creator who said she stayed in the Airbnb for a week and the sheets and everything smell so good. I have seen so many videos this morning about this little laundry cocktail recipe, and people are like, "Oh, I got the items. I'll come back after I try them." I ain't seen nothing. I have seen nobody come back and let me know the results. So
yeah, so that's the challenge, and I got all this stuff. Essentially, it's just like a combination to when you're washing and drying your clothes to make them smell really good. And I am so curious to see how it smells because I just love it. Ooh, but this one is wrong. She got the wrong one. Whatever. Okay. Everything else is right though. I don't think it'll affect it too much. So the first thing is the Gain Fling, the Moonlight Breeze. Gain Fling, and then you're supposed to get the same like brand, like the Moonlight Breeze, but this one is just the original. But I think it should be fine, right? I think it should be fine. We'll see. And then the Downy Light Ocean Mist. And these are the, what is it, the scent beads. Oh, this by the way is a dryer sheet. And then these are the pods. And then lastly, Cleansing Fabric Rinse. It's by Downy. And it's in the scent Ocean Mist, and it's called it's like a fabric mist. I've never used this before, so I don't even know how you would use it. Add your usual detergent before adding Downy Rinse. Pour Downy Rinse directly into the fabric softener dispenser. Okay, so this would go in the fabric softener. Oh, okay, so it's like a fabric softener. Got it. And so yeah, I'm gonna try that. I have laundry I need to do, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna smell. So I'm gonna just put this to the side. Out of sight, out of mind. And then I got dish soap. So it's gonna just sit here. I don't like the way that looks. I'm actually gonna put it in the sink. Yeah, that looks cool. So much better. I got Sharpies. Yeah, I got Sharpies. And then last thing that I got is this. Yeah, I don't really know what I have planned for today. It's probably gonna be random, but if I do anything of importance, I'll bring you guys along. Oops. All right. Okay, this challenge. It's called the laundry cocktail. It's not a challenge, sorry. I'll do two actually. The beads, hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put okay, so Hello? Oh, I'm dead. Where you at?